Everyone, welcome to the official channel of Upfront tutorial. I am trainer Maninder. First of all, I would like to wish our students and viewers on our channel a very happy Holi. Also, I am delighted to inform you all that today we have three reasons for this celebration. First, it is the birthday of my friend Aman, who is in the UK right now. Second, it's Holi celebration. And third, one of our alumni, Mohit Thakur, has visited us from Canada after 3 years to break the news of his engagement. I am really happy to have him with us today, and I hope you will all revel in celebrating this occasion.